We're going to go through my drinks goals for 2024. All right, welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better, and today I'm going to talk about some of my 2024 drinks goals. What I've been noticing is that, when I drink hard alcohol, whether that's in the form of like whiskey or just a cocktail, I'm finding that my body is reacting less favorably than it used to. Right? I mean, it must be something that has to do with aging. So one of the things that I'm going to be doing in 2024 is drinking less hard alcohol and more wine, Amaro, vermouths, Madeira, things like that. So you should expect to see lots more of that coverage on the channel. That'll translate. I'm really going to dive a bit deeper on Amaro and vermouth because I think that is a really, I don't want to say it's an up-and-coming category because it's always going to be a bit obscure, but I think there's a lot more interest. The interest continues to grow in the U.S. certainly, and I think it deserves a little extra publicity. What else? I'm going to focus a lot of my content on, I guess what I would say is the alternatives to popular wines. So pretty soon, in the coming weeks, you're going to see a video about alternatives to Cabernet Sauvignon, my favorites. My favorite alternatives to Sauvignon Blanc. My favorite alternatives to Pinot Noir. Things like that. Because I think that'll be really good content for making sure that people don't get in a rut of drinking the same wine over and over. I think the last thing to talk about in goals is that, I don't want to say I'm on a crusade, but I see a lot of people drinking really popular brands, and those wines of those popular brands are they're just bad and they shouldn't be consumed. So I will continue to be the word of caution, doling out words of caution, eliminating any of my sponsorship opportunities that'll be possible with some of these bigger brands, because I think that people need to pay more attention to the quality of the wine that they're drinking, and there's so much good wine out there that you shouldn't be consuming bad wine under any circumstance. Hey, I wonder what else you'd like to see me cover. Put it down in the comments below. Talk to you soon. Cheers.